Good afternoon. It is 4:45 here in Hermitage, Tennessee, May the 8th, 2019. Just a quick update on what's happening in the user-to-user world. And when I say world, I mean the user-to-user Discord, the user-to-user Zoom live chats that happen daily, and the user-to-user YouTube channel. As many of you know, I've got fingers in several pies. Some have been put on the back burner for a number of months, and they have now progressed to the point where they need active work. That means I'm going to have to cut back on the time that I'm online daily, particularly since I'll be learning a completely new software package having to do with the nonprofit that I'm associated with. In that regard, the live hours that I will be online will be as follows. Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Central Time, that's 10 to 11 Eastern Time, I will be in the Zoom live chat that's always been open now for years. The link to it is in the Discord. If you haven't joined the user-to-user Discord, where we moved from Google Plus when it closed, there will be a link in the video below. The evening hours are changing. Evening hours will be from 9 to 9:30 p.m. Eastern. That's 8 to 8:30 Central. I'll have to be off by 9 o'clock, and I see a wasp flying around the room, so I may be jumping up out of this any minute. And those evening hours will only be on Mondays and Thursdays. I will not be online Tuesday night, Wednesday night, or Friday night as far as the tech stuff is concerned. Of course, Friday night's always reserved for game night. Wednesday night, there's also the possibility of a game. So those are out. Tuesday nights, I'll be tied up with stuff local here. I can see the lighting on my green screen is going away as the sun shifts, so I may be having to stop that. But this is just a quick update. Like I said, all the links where I can be found will be found in the details of this YouTube video. If you haven't joined the Discord, give it a thought. We're active over there since we've moved from Google Plus to the Discord. We have picked up 150 new members, some of them very active. So we hope to see you there. Just want to say a quick shout out about what the changes are upcoming. If you have any questions, let me know, and thanks for watching.